Good morning. This may or may not be like the fourth time I've started this, but no judging, okay? So, good morning again. This is your Make It Happen Monday Mind Shift Change video. Now, let's not say that 3 times fast because I haven't had enough to drink yet this morning. But it's Monday morning, and it is the start of, or it's not really the start, but we're a couple days into a brand new month, and we have some really big goals, not just personally for our team, but for an organizational team to rock out something that has never happened in Park Lane history. And so I kind of started taking a look at my business to look at things that maybe I could do to change because I wasn't quite where I wanted to be yet. I was struggling with some stuff. And so I reached out to a fellow team member who beat me last month in sales. And so I wanted to know what he was doing. I wanted to tell him I was super proud of where he's come. He's come a long way and he's rocking at his business, and I wanted to learn from him. I always say that when you stop learning, you stop earning, okay? So you're never, ever too experienced in this business to learn something. 15 years in, and I'm still trying to learn something. And so in my conversation with this fellow, we were just chit-chatting back and forth. And I said, well, I'm Facebooking people and I'm text messaging them. And I got back in big caps. Stop. It's killing you. And I was like, what? It's the easy way. It's the chicken way. I can text him and say, oh my gosh, I'd love to treat you to a Starbucks. I'd love to get your opinion. But you know what? It's really easy to do that. And so he challenged me to pick up my phone. And I told him how heavy mine was. I said, mine weighs like 20 tons. And I got really weak muscles. And he told me it was time to hit the gym and start doing some lifts. And so, after I pondered that, I got to pondering and thinking, that he was absolutely right. That when you actually pick up the phone and call somebody and say, you know what, I am so excited about what I'm doing. With Park Lane, I have the opportunity to change your wardrobe and change your life. And I was thinking about people that I really wanted to work with or to get their opinion of my amazing jewelry. And you were at the top of the list. Can we meet at Starbucks? Can I treat you to a cup of your favorite drink? And you just give me your opinion of Park Lane's jewelry and the programs that we have to offer. It's a whole lot harder to say, no, I can't meet you for a free Starbucks drink over the phone when you're talking to somebody than to get a text message or a Facebook message and just kind of go, oh yeah, I'll get back to that later. Or to simply say, no, I'm not interested. So I'm going to challenge you to pick up the phone. I know it's heavy. I've been there. I'm there with you right now, but I'm going to do it with you, okay? My goal today is to call 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people. But to actually talk to 5 people, okay? Not to think about who's not going to be home so I can leave a message on their answering machine, but to try to actually talk. I'm going to talk to 5 people to see if I can schedule 5 appointments. So I'm going to challenge you to pick your number. Now, don't be a chicken, okay? Pick a number that challenges you. 1 is too easy. 5 may be too many. You could be a fence sitter and pick 3. But I want you to, on your lunch hour, on your dinner preparation hour, whatever works. Don't overthink it. Don't make it complicated. I want you to pick up the phone, your cell phone if you have to, because not many people use My Bell anymore. Dial it up and just talk. You know what? When you talk from your heart and you tell people why you're calling them, you know what? Stalk their Facebook page before you go on. See what pictures they've posted of themselves recently and say, oh my God, Elizabeth, I was checking out Facebook. I saw that last picture you posted, and I have a necklace that would look so hot with that outfit you had on, and I'd love to get your opinion of it. Can we get together? Just do it, because I promise you, if you change your mindset and you change the things that you're doing right now that aren't currently working, you will change your business. Don't forget, when you stop learning, you stop earning. And I don't know if you're like me, but I don't ever want to stop earning, okay? And I don't ever want to stop learning. So this was your Monday, Make It Happen Monday, Shift Your Mindset video. Have a great day. I can't wait to hear your results.